got a quick one for you here. I found a tool that can convert ISO to bin and queue in Linux, and I'm going to show you how to install it. First, I want to say I have to thank this person named LilCuz2005 for leaving a comment that asked me if I know of a tool that can convert ISO to bin and queue, but I had to research it. Okay, it's called Power ISO. If you just search for it the normal way, it's going to say no matching packages found. You want to go into preferences and you want to check this box right here that says show unverified flat packs. I mean, you find a lot more cool stuff if you do this anyway. The thing is that this would normally only be maybe a 20 megabyte install. Now what you want to do is scroll down and you'll see the actual size, 3.3 gigabytes of disk space required. That's because of the containerized dependencies that it uses. I'm going to go ahead and click install, and then I'm going to pause this. I didn't time it, but I think that just took about 2 or 3 minutes at the most, and I needed to grab a quick ISO while I was doing this, so I just grabbed Slacks. Slacks is a cool Linux distro that's been around for a while, and all the programs you install in it are modular. Okay, let me show you how I convert an ISO to a bin and queue file. I click the convert button, I go to source, and I go to desktop. Select the ISO, I go here to the output image format and select bin and queue and click OK. Now it's only going to make the bin file, not the queue file. But I found a program on GitHub that can generate queue files, and it works under Windows and Linux. It's called QMaker, and I don't feel like messing with the Linux version right now because I'm going to have to virtualize an old version of Python to get it to work, so I'm just going to run the Windows version through Wine. Okay, I'm going to say choose file. I'm going to my local drive, which is Z, and straight to my desktop. It's nice and fast. Okay, now all I have to do is prove that this works. There we go. The bin and queue's mounted, it works. I'll throw a link in the description for my video about GCDEmu. It's a great program that can mount a lot of different types of image formats in Linux. That's all this video is. I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and you guys have a great day.